White working class and black British folks got left behind, while Muslim communities built power consistently and quietly. It's not a takeover, it's a lesson, and you missed the homework. If Muslims are winning the game, maybe you should ask who taught them the rules, and why no one gave you the playbook. Why are Muslim communities thriving while everyone else is still asking for a seat at the table? Let's break this down without the fear, the spin, or the dog whistles. Yes, several UK mayors are Muslim. Yes, Muslim communities have built mosques, Sharia councils, and support networks. But before anyone starts shouting, "They're taking over," ask yourself, why is this making people so uncomfortable? Many white working class Brits feel abandoned by the same system that now appears to celebrate others. They see factories gone, councils sold off, schools stretched thin. So when they hear about free housing or Muslim mayors, it feels like salt in the wound, like their loyalty to the country got left behind. It's not always hate, it's hurt, masked as anger. Now look at black Afro-Caribbean Brits, especially those raised in churches, raised to work hard, stay humble, be respectful. We've been in the UK for generations. We helped rebuild it after W2. Yet when we look at power, policy, or media, our faces are still underrepresented. So when we see British Muslims winning politically and economically, it can feel like we're being left behind again. Both white working class families and black British communities share a deep, unspoken frustration. They've played by the rules, trusted the system, and feel they've been overlooked while others built strongholds of influence. But here's the thing, Muslim communities didn't wait for permission. They organized, built wealth, kept tight family units, and entered politics. They supported each other, reinvested in their communities, and built power from the ground up. Instead of resenting them, maybe it's time we studied them. What can we learn? 1. Community first. Muslim families build wealth through family structures and communal discipline. Afro-Caribbean and white working class communities need to rebuild togetherness, not just survive individually. 2. Local politics matter. Mosques encourage voting, running for council, and lobbying local authorities. Churches and community groups need to do the same, not just pray for change, but vote and be the change. 3. Economic collaboration. British Muslims often prioritize business ownership, not just jobs. We should be mentoring each other into entrepreneurship, shops, construction, transport, healthcare, where we can create jobs and employ our own. 4. Cultural confidence. Muslim identity is proudly maintained. Black British and working class white culture must also be celebrated with pride, not diluted or left behind. Pride doesn't mean division. Stop punching down. The enemy isn't the Muslim family down the street. It's the system that told us to turn on each other while they hoarded wealth and power. Final thought. British Muslims haven't taken over. They've taken charge of their future. Maybe it's time more of us did the same, together, not against each other. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.